Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. Right now I got this mini handheld vacuum cleaner. Let's check it out, unbox it, let's see what it's all about. Yeah. Show you what's actually in the box before we test it out. Okay. Got some attachments. Another little clear attachment. Little nozzle for suction. Yeah. And we got another little brush to fit on it for your scrubbing. Filter with a little dust buster. Well, that's what it was called in my day. A little power cord, a little USB cord, so you can charge it by USB. Manual. The company of the little vacuum. And it comes with a little bag you can store it in. And here it is, a little dust buster. It's got a light, so when you're vacuuming in the dark, you can see what you're doing. Nice little design. Not too bad in weight. All right, let's check this out. So this thing is good for, you know, like your couch. You know, getting all the crumbs and everything out. Suction's pretty good. Where, you know, you vacuum can't get it. That's hard to reach places. And the value's pretty good too. Crumbs, you know. Perfect for getting all those nasty crumbs off the counter. Pretty decent little vacuum. I like it. My place is kind of a mess because I work. Stuff got to clean. And, you know, you got a light for all those dark places. Works pretty good. I'll link where you can find this thing on Amazon. It's got this nice little light. Looks pretty awesome. And yeah, well, I'll link it down below where you can find this sucker. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This has been another YouTube video. Peace.